Hello everyone, myself Ms. Dilpreet Kaur, working as assistant professor in the Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy in Mocha. Today we are going to demonstrate online experiment about utilization and application of XFORM software as an alternative tool to animal experiments. We have Dr. Aarti with us, who is working as associate professor in the Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy in Mocha. Now she will give you the brief demonstration about the software and its application. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dilpreet. Hello everyone. I, Aarti Singh, welcome you all on eLab session. As we all know, animal experiments are considered as a major tool in the pharmaceutical sciences, biological sciences and medical sciences. Since animals are considered as very much similar to human beings, apart from this, animals, they can easily mimic the disease conditions, so they are considered as best model for human disease. With emerging trends and ethical concern, especially after Prevention of Cruelties of Animals Act 1960, the usage of animals in the experimentation just for learning purpose and for improving the manual skill is greatly reduced. So what are the alternatives that are used in order to perform the animal experiment? So alternative to animal experimentation is computer assisted learning programs. Computer assisted learning programs are very much similar to live animal experiments, where you can demonstrate the effect of drugs on different organ systems like tissues, like different organs. These computer assisted learning program consist of various programs like XFORM, Xcology, that can be used for simulation of experiments in pharmacology. These are user friendly, they are highly interactive and they are full of animated sequences. Undergraduates who are working in the field of medical sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, dental sciences, apart from this, paramedical courses like nursing, physiotherapy and medical laboratory technology, these students can easily use this software for learning or for improving their medical skills. Today in this eLab session, we will demonstrate about the XFORM software. XFORM software was designed and developed by Dr. R. Ravindran, Dr. C. H. Shashidharan from the Department of Pharmacology, JIPMER, Pondicherry. So let's start with the demonstration part.
So let's start with experimentation part. This is how it looks like. We have with us XFORM T1 version. As you can see, we can perform different experiments using this software, like effect of different drugs on rabbit eye, effect of different drugs on frog esophagus, effect of different drugs on frog herd, and bioassay of histamine on guinea pig ileum. Today we will demonstrate the effect of drugs on rabbit eye. As you can see, each software is provided with two different modes. One is tutorial mode, another is examination mode. In examination mode, you can conduct the exam as drug administered in this mode are unknown. During tutorial mode, drug administered from the list of available in the software are known. So today we will demonstrate about this software, the effect of drugs on rabbit eye in tutorial mode. Now before we start, let's discuss about basic about eye. That eye is having both kind of sympathetic as well as parasympathetic innervation. In eye, radial fibers, radial muscles are under sympathetic control, and in circular muscles, ciliary muscles including ciliary bodies are under parasympathetic control. So you all know that our accommodation is controlled by parasympathetic activity and other activities are controlled by sympathetic nervous system. So the drugs that this software is using are all having sympathetic activity and parasympathetic activity. So let's start with the experimentation part. Before we start, at the right side, top of, you can see the rabbit. It is the animal model which is used for this experimentation. Now you can change this animal by clicking on this animal. Or another icon is in this exit section, that is new. You can also change your animal by clicking on this icon, new. So every time, as you know, you have to change the animal because you cannot use same animal for different drugs. So every time you change the drug, you have to change the animal also. Now, second thing is recording. That what you have to record. One is pupil size. That this section, in case of left eye, is a zoom out section of this left eye, and here this section is zoom out section of right eye. The scale is provided here. As you can see, we can scroll left or right this scale, and this scale is having divisions, and each division is equivalent to 1 mm. So you can record the size or diameter of the pupil, which is increased or decreased after drug administration, that you have to record. Second point is intraocular tension, the tension which is created due to the liquid present inside the eye. So that is also affected after the drug administration, that you can record that whether the intraocular tension decreased. L stands for low and H stands for high and N stands for normal. Third parameter is light reflex. With the help of this torch, you can select the torch and you can click on the real image. This is the real image of the rabbit and this is the zoom out section, and you can see the effect of light on the pupil. It is decreased, and the moment I remove the torch, it is increased or back to the normal. So this torch or light reflex you can record. Then last is corneal reflex. With the help of Potenwool, you can record the corneal reflex also. So these 4 parameters you have to record before you start or before you give any kind of drug. Then comes drug administration part. This software is provided with different drugs like epinephrine, atropine, ephedrine, physostigmine, lignocaine and saline. So you can use or you can instill normal saline in the left eye or any of the 2 eye and drug in the next eye, and you can compare the effect of the 2. After recording, after drug administration, you have to record all those 4 parameters again, and you have to prepare a observation table as it is given in the software, where what kind of drug you have instilled in the one eye and which you have compared it with the saline, then intraocular tension before and after, light reflex before and after, corneal reflex before and after, pupil size before and after. So like this way you can prepare your observation table. After observation table you can prepare the inference that why epinephrine is showing such kind of effect or atropine is showing such kind of effect. You have to write down the mechanism of each and every drug which is provided in the software. So this is all about the basic about how to use this software or how to check the effect of drugs on rabbit eye. Thank you.